Welcome back, family. This is my winter decor video where I am going from taking down my Christmas decor to putting up my winter decor. This is part one. I don't have an extravagant amount of decor to put up. I pretty much keep the same mantle from Christmas all the way to the end of January. Then I switch everything up to Valentine's Day. This is one of my smaller trees that I finally decided to keep up for this upcoming year. I always keep a tree up during this time of the year, but not as big as this one. This is a 6-foot tree. I normally leave out one of my 4-foot trees that I decorate and do like a Valentine's and fall themed tree, but not fall, I'm sorry, a Valentine's tree. But this year, this will be my first time ever doing a winter themed tree. This tree will only stay up to February, the Lord's will, probably really the end of January. Then I'll start putting up my Valentine's decor. But I'm just so grateful. I thank you all for being here with me. New Year's is fastly approaching. I pray that everybody had a blessed Christmas, because I know that I did. My kids were very blessed. They received so many gifts, and I thank God for that, for the outpouring of love and just being in a place where we all could just be together once again another time. A lot of people, family and friends are no longer with us, and I'm just grateful for every Christmas and every time I'm able to spend holidays and special occasions and events with my family. I know a lot of people do New Year's resolutions, but I do not. I don't do New Year's resolutions. That's just a personal choice for me. I just love God, and every year I always set new goals, spiritual goals, and not goals of the natural that I would like to accomplish in God. I just thank God for good health. Good health is just a blessing to have, and I thank God for being in a place to have good health. But I just thank God for just being God, and for leading and guiding me and my family in a mighty way, and for just allowing us to be in a place and in a mindset to do His will and His way. So for 2025, I'm just seeking God, and my desire is to be in position and to stay in position with His will. And I just thank God for that, and to be in a place to continue to stay humble, to be in a place to continue to stay obedient, and to also be in a place to continue to stay consistent in Him. And I'm just grateful for that. So pretty much, y'all, I was able to catch some of the sales that they had at the Christmas. I was able to catch a Dollar General sale, and I was able to go to Dollar Tree and pick up a few items. Some of like my tree topper right here, this huge snowflake, that came from Dollar General, and it was 50% off. And I found some cute little snowflakes as well that I'm going to show you in my part 2 video that I got from Dollar General as well. And I did some Dollar Tree at the Christmas shopping where everything was 50% off as well. And I got like some cute little icicles that you're going to see inside of this video. I also was able to get some snowballs that you're going to also see in this video as well. So sit back and relax and continue to enjoy this fun and festive winter decor. this is how the tree came out. This is a 6-foot tree, like I stated before, and it is a thinner tree as well. My 8-foot tree is in my living room, and this particular tree right here has seen its day. We've had it for a long time. This is the tree that we normally have our family decor decorations on. I took all the family decor and ornaments off, and I turned this tree into my winter tree. If you love this video and like what you saw today, like, comment, share, and subscribe.